Hey there! Is your Amazon Fire TV stick acting up, leaving you unable to stream your favorite shows? Don't worry. In this guide, we'll dive into how to fix Amazon Fire TV stick with PC so you can get back to your seamless streaming experience. Whether it's connectivity issues or software glitches, we've got practical solutions to help you troubleshoot and resolve common problems using your PC. Step 1. Check the basics. Before diving into technical fixes, start with the basics. First, ensure your Amazon Fire TV stick is receiving power. Check the HDMI connection and ensure your TV is set to the correct input source. Often, connectivity issues are resolved by simply unplugging the Fire TV stick and plugging it back in. On your PC, make sure your internet connection is stable, as it plays a crucial role in ensuring your streaming device functions properly. Step 2. Update the Fire TV stick software. Using your PC, navigate to Amazon's official website to check for any recent updates for the Fire TV stick. Keeping the device software up to date is vital to ensure optimal performance and security. Once on the site, log in with your Amazon account and access the Manage Your Content and Devices section. Look for any available updates that can be sent directly to your device. If needed, reboot your Fire TV stick post-update for smooth integration. Step 3. Reset network setting. If connectivity remains an issue, utilize your PC to reset your Fire TV stick's network settings. On your PC, access your router settings by typing in the router's IP address in the web browser. Perform a soft reset of your router to refresh the connection. On the Fire TV stick, navigate to Settings, Network, forget Network, and then reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network. This reset often resolves slow or unstable connection. Step 4. Use ADB tools for troubleshooting. Advanced users can leverage ADB tools to troubleshoot deeper issues. First, download and install ADB tools on your PC. Enable ADB debugging on your Fire TV stick by going to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options. Connect the Fire TV stick to your PC via a USB cable and use ADB commands to inspect logs, uninstall problematic apps, or even perform a factory reset if necessary. Ensure you have adequate technical understanding before executing these commands. Step 5. Factory reset as a last resort. If the issues persist, a factory reset might be necessary. Keep in mind this will erase all data and settings on the device. You can initiate a factory reset from your PC through the ADB tool or directly on the device by navigating to Settings, My Fire TV, Reset to Factory Defaults. Ensure to back up any essential data before proceeding. That's how you can tackle the problem of how to fix Amazon Fire TV Stick PC. From initial checks to more advanced solutions like ADB tools, these methods provide comprehensive ways to troubleshoot and resolve issues impacting your streaming experience. Remember, working with technology requires patience and careful execution. By following these steps, you'll be back to enjoying seamless streaming on your Amazon Fire TV Stick in no time. Happy streaming.